Okay, today we're going to learn about end behavior. Make sure you put your name. Today is 10-6 or 10-7, depending on what period you're in, and put what period. So it says end behavior is what happens to the y values, the y's, okay, as the x values approach infinity and negative infinity. So when we're on a graph, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. So when x is going this way, it's approaching infinity. And when x is going this way, it's approaching negative infinity. And when y is going up, it's approaching infinity. And when y is going down, it's approaching negative infinity. So we're going to do the end behavior and the domain and range. And it's going to be kind of weird at the beginning, but then you'll get used to it. So we're going to write end behavior. And what we're going to do is we're going to be on this line. This line starts over here. We always go left to right, okay? Now this line starts at negative infinity. And then it continues and goes to the right, positive infinity. But as x is going this way on the line, is x going to the right or to the left if we're going this way? X is going to the left, right? So we write as x approaches, the arrow means approaches, negative infinity, because we're going to the left on the line. What's happening to y? Is y going up or down as we're going along this line? Y approaches negative infinity. That means approaches the arrow. And then when we're going to the right on the graph, x is getting bigger, right? X is at 0, and then 1, and then 2, and then 3. As x is going to the right, even though it's going up, it's going to the right. As x approaches positive infinity, y approaches. So as we're going to the right, are we going up or are we going down? Are we going up to positive infinity or are we going down to negative infinity? We're going which way? Up, positive infinity. And you can write a plus if you want, or you can leave it off. It's up to you. And then domain and range. It starts with it has arrows on both sides. That means it goes from negative infinity to positive infinity. It has arrows on both sides with no breaks or stops or open circles or anything. Starts at negative infinity for x and goes all the way and keeps going to the right, 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 right. And for the y, it starts down and goes up, 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 up. So you're either going up. While we're going to the right, it's going up. And when we're going to the left, it's going down. So let's look at the next one. And behavior. As x approaches negative infinity and positive infinity, y approaches, and we have to decide where y approaches. So when we're going to the left along the line, going to negative infinity, we're going left. Where's the y going? Y is going up to positive infinity.